Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Rahul Phate's innovation, where the concept of herbs meet modern cosmetology, where the science of cosmetology and beauty are studied at a molecular level, a product based on indigenous research. Inno-White Sun Block. Inno-White Sun Block is a calamine based sunblock. Calamine contains both iron and zinc, which are able to block UV rays from the sun. Calamine is an anti-itch ingredient that works by causing a cooling sensation as it evaporates on your skin. Calamine topical helps to reduce irritation and itching. It also helps to reduce sensitivity in hypersensitive skin. It also hydrates and calms the skin. Inno-White Sunblock contains silicones which are hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic and also helps to protect moisture in the skin. This also makes it very effective and suitable for acne-prone skin. Inno-White Sunblock is a protective and repairing sunblock. It helps to reduce the effects of harsh sun rays and also protects from UV rays. It is very suitable and most effective for men and women with all types of skin. Order now from the link below in the description. This is Vikrant Oberoi. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.